Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. During our last lecture on Zoom class, we discussed about the summary of the fun they had. In that, we learned the school of the future. We also learned about learning through computers, virtual classroom, moving text, and a robotic teacher. We also learned about the character in the story that Margie and Tommy. Today we are going to learn about the story The Fun They Had. The story is written by Isaac Asimov. It is Isaac Asimov. He was an American writer and a professor of biochemistry at Boston University. And he was born on January 2nd, 1920. He was known for his work of science fiction and popular science. Most of the stories written by Isaac Asimov were based on science. The story, The Fun They Had, this is also one of those science-based story which is set in the future. In the future means 22nd century, and in the 22nd century the books were not exist. The world is quite different than today's. And when the students come to know, when the character Mr. Margie and Tommy came to know that there were the exact book, the real book earlier in past, they were quite surprised. So let's see what happened when they found a real book and how was the condition, what things they learned from the book. Let's start. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17th May 2157, she wrote, Tommy had found a real book. Margie is one of the characters. She is 11 years old and Tommy is her friend. And Tommy found a book and that Margie wrote in her diary. She used to write and she was written on 17th May 2157. So she wrote, Tommy found a book. That is a real book. It is not strange for us because the real book is strange for them because they are living in future where real books are not existed and not used. They are using computers, tabs and mobiles. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Meanwhile, Margie's grandfather was told by his grandfather that there were real books and stories were written on the books, not on computers. You can say that it was Margie's great grandfather. And when they turned the books, they found the books quite are the books the book the pages are yellow and crinkly. Let's see. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. When any old book is there, the color of the pages get changed, and also they become crinkly. The many folds will found on it. Crinkly means we found that fold and many lines on it. There is crumble, and it was awfully funny. It was very funny when they found the book to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. And actually, when they found the book, when they saw the book, the words were not moving at all. The words were still, not moving like on computer. The words and the pages we move. It was stood, and so it was quite funny for them. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. And when they turned the pages, they found the same words on next page also. Same words means alphabetical only, and they were quite surprised because nothing was changed in that, and even the words were not moving on the page that they found the real book. Ghee. See, ghee is here an expression that we use it for the sudden surprise expression. Ghee, said Tommy. What a waste! What they were using books, and Tommy was quite surprising. That's because they had seen the condition of the pages that was yellow, crinkly, and easily can be wasted. So Tommy was surprised, and he said, what a waste, it's completely waste of pages that are using the real books, because once we read and it will be uh, torn, it can be thrown, so that will be yes. So according to him, he said that what a waste. When you are through with the books, Tommy thought that when we once read such a real books, we are going to throw it, and that books are no use once we go through, once we read it. You just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. And he also says that we have many books on our TV screen, on our computer screen in their storage, but they never throw it. Same with mine, said Margie, and Margie also agree with him that yes, same to her also. She was 11 years and hadn't seen as many textbooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Actually, Tommy was 13 years old, 2 years elder than Margie, and obviously, so he had read many books and he had many books on his screen than Margie. She said, where did you find it? Now they are talking about the book which was found by Tommy. Now Marge is asking Tommy, where did found it? Where the book was found? In my house, Tommy said. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic what is about. Tommy was busy in writing book. When Margie asked Tommy where did he find the book, he just point his finger to the place that is called attic. Attic is the place which we use as a storehouse, as a storeroom, and it was the book was found in that attic place. He just point his finger because he was busy reading book, and even Margie asked Tommy what's about the book, and he said the book is about the school. When he said about the school, then Margie scornful, like disrespectfully, she gave express that she didn't like, because Margie did not like the school. Why she didn't like the school? Let's see. Margie was scornful. School? What's there on right about school? I hate school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. Obviously, she was hating the school, but now nowadays, recently, she is hating school more and more. One reason was there. What was the reason? Obviously, when do we don't like going to school? When we don't understand anything, when our homework is not completed, when exams are going on and you are not ready for it, and when your marks are getting down and down, that time we sometimes don't like to go to school. The same thing was happening with Margie. Let's see what had happened with her that she didn't like school. The mechanical teacher. See, one more character is here, the mechanical teacher. Actually, is not a live character, it's a mechanical teacher. The teacher, it means machine or robotic. It's a mechanical teacher. It's a new concept now. In future, we also find such type of teacher, because the story is set in the future. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. She didn't like the school because her mechanical teacher was giving her test after test of geography, and she was not doing well. Her marks were getting down and down. Her mother called county inspector. County inspector is one more character in this story. County inspector means an expert that he fixes the problem of machine or robotic, and there was some problem in the mechanical teacher in robot. So let's see how whether county inspector fixes the problem of mechanical teacher or not, and how did it help Margie. Let's see. He was a round little he was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tool with dials and wires. What we are talking about? We are talking about the county inspector. And how was the county inspector? The county inspector was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. When he came, he smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. She took the teacher Margie apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly. When the county inspector came home, sorry, he gave an apple to Margie, and Margie wished that mechanical teacher would not get fixed ever. Even she didn't want, even she hoped, even she wished that county inspector may not know how to fix the problem of mechanical teacher, so that she will be away, she will get rid of that mechanical teacher and she will be free. But after an hour, the mechanical teacher was all right. It was all the problems were restored and solved with a big screen. But she got another one mechanical teacher, the same, but the picture was quite different, and this time it was with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. The problem was with geography test because it was very fast. The system was quite disturbed, and the geography test was also little fast and speedy, so she could not understand it properly, so her marks were getting down and down. And now this time the county inspector made it slow, and so all the lessons now are shown slowly and the questions were asked. Then that was not so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and a test paper. One more thing was there that she didn't like about the mechanical teacher, that she had to put, there was a one slot, the place where Margie had to put her homework, and immediately the marks were been checked like OMR sheet. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the mark in no time. And how to put her homework in the slot she already had learned before 6 years. Let's go ahead. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones." And when the county inspector fixes the problem of mechanical teacher, he said Margie's mother, he said that it was not Margie's fault that her marks were getting down. It was mechanical teacher's fault. It was machine's fault that it was very fast. And her mother's name was Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. The geography part was quite little faster, and that's why she found it little difficult to gain the marks. Who said? County inspector said to Margie's mother, "I have slowed it up to an average 10 years level." Actually, every mechanical teacher has set as per the average, as per the age of the student, and it might be quite little faster than her age. Now county inspector has settled everything properly. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory, and he patted Margie's head again, and he said that her performance is quite satisfactory, not so bad, and so he patted his back and go. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. And this time also Margie now disappointed because she thought county inspector who had come to fix the problem of mechanical teacher, she thought that county inspector will take mechanical teacher away from her, take with county inspector, because last time the same thing was happened with Tommy. His history problem, there was a history sector's problem in Tommy's mechanical teacher, and that time his county inspector had taken his mechanical teacher away almost for a month, and that time Margie was also hoped, and she also thought this time also county inspector will take away her mechanical teacher away from her, but this could not happen. The problem was fixed immediately, so she was quite disappointed. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about the school? When they found a book, Tommy said the book was about the school. On this, she said, Margie said to Tommy, why would anyone write about the school? Is there a need to write about the school? Now we learn about the school which was in the past, what kind of school it was, and now what kind of school in which Margie and Tommy are studying and the age they are living. That we learn in our next video. By the time you just go through the textbook, you will get much idea regarding this. Thank you. Have a good time.